First, let me straight go to Dr. Nimi Rastogi. Hard day, tough day, but some pockets of at least face savers and relief. But Dr. Nimi Rastogi, to the question that we really are asking, how do you look at Atishi's victory against Ramesh Biduri? You'll have to unmute yourself, Ms. Nimi Rastogi.
We extend our congratulations, and in all humility and modesty, we concede to our defeat. Well, win is a win, loss is a loss. Having said that, Aam Aadmi Party has shown more maturity and gravitas and little bit of more substance before elections and after the elections. Because even now in their victory, Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are saying superfluous things, distasteful thing कि आम आदमी पार्टी खत्म हो गई, bye, tata, गाने गा रहे हैं, like this is over, Arvind Kejriwal is over, Punjab is
Dr.
gone.
Dr. Nimi Rastogi, actually, sorry to interrupt you. You have a right to respond to how you are responding. And fair enough, if as a spokesperson, that's how you're choosing to respond. But actually, may I just point out what you are doing is also politicking. Because we have brought in a very specific issue of gender. We have brought in a very specific issue of political sexism. And possibly you may want to rethink how you are responding to my question. But if you choose to do so, continue with how you are, you're free to do so. Go ahead.
Ramesh Biduri is not the best of the candidate as against Atishi, because Atishi is very highly educated, cultured, and she has the knowledge of a subject in depth. Whereas Mr. Biduri, with all caution, I would say he is an uncouth fellow. Nothing else is expected of him. He said something, and then instead of being mindful of the horrendous language used, he is justifying it because he is not cognizant of the fact that these things cannot be said about women. So this was, he made himself a laughing stock vis-a-vis Gal remark. I don't even want to say it, and Baap Badal Liya remark, and Hirni ki tarah ghum rahi hai. So poor fellow, I feel sorry for him. Like he worked hard, he spent hundreds of crores, but he lost. I mean, you should be watchful as to what you say, but that comes organically. I mean, he's not polished. So he would say
Pradeep Mahar, do you want to respond?
What is
do you want to respond, Pradeep Mahar?